tracker. Nice eyes, nice face, and you know I can't forget about your face. But don't none of that matter. I'm about to make your pockets better. Girl, I just wanna see you strip right now, 'cause it's late, babe. Girl, I just wanna see you strip. Girl, take your time with it. Girl, I just wanna see you strip. Damn, you sexy for me. Damn, you sexy baby.
Pag ginagawa ka, slow ka.
I don't give a damn about it. In the club, play my song. Turn it.
Yo, what is up everybody? So, nag-ano tayo ngayon? Nag-liligpit na kasi we're going to Cebu later. Today is... ano ba ngayon? Thursday, 7 PM. Nag-rent tayo ng van, so inaantay na lang natin ihati dito. And then, we are going off to Sagay. We're gonna meet up with the fam there. And then, yeah, it's gonna be fun. There's gonna be a lot of people. There's infants, merong mga bata, merong mga matanda, merong tomboy, merong bakla. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So yan, si YP nag-ayos, nagliligpit. Thank you sa pag-iron. Thank you sa pag-iron ng aking mga clothes. And then syempre, we just got done clean cut. Kerwin, Roming's Barber Shop, you know what it is. Syempre, we got our essentials. Contact lens. Your boy is legally blind. Didn't already see. Tattoo natin pre.
Hindi yung laptop yan.
Alright, I guess I will see you guys later sa Sagay. So, peace out, be. Say goodbye. Bleh.
With the kids. So right now we're going to Vicente Batchoy Mandawi, owned by Rabino family. So ang amo niya kaon today, sponsored by
Very sponsored by Joseph Roy.
Joseph Roy Rabino.
Kamusta experience yung first time sa Cebu?
Paano man yung mga dili ko taga Cebu ya. Dili alata sa tuno nga ako nga Cebuano ko ya.
No, Bisaya ko yun. Tulo, Lunggo, pero hambal, Bisaya.
Ngano haw?
Ngano ha?
Taga diri man ko.
Ngano ha? Taga diri man ko.
Sana man ni ang init. Hello guys!
Yo, so nandito na tayo sa Cebu. SM lang muna kami kasi yung check-in namin 3 PM pa. Ano na yung mga kids. Palapit lang muna tayo dito. So first time to ng Kupal. Ang videographer natin si Bibi. Napakaganda. Puta, haggard ko na kayo.
Wa mga mitulog what?
Si Bea, naka...
Ain't this what you came to see? Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe.
Go, 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 go!
Body, my face, frame, put me on the wall above the staircase. If you show me off, I'll be your piece. Your ART, fresh out the gallery. Can you handle me? Handle me carefully. I'll be yours to keep.
Go, go. Ano na Yo, we just parked the car. Tapos, oy, nag-echo-echo po. Check-in na kami, pre. And it is, I think 4, no? Good. So, we're gonna try and mag-idlip muna. Sleep for like 1 to 2 hours. And then pupunta kami na sa Santo Niño. Doon kami kakain sa may Tosto Buwa. Girl! Uy, gago! Ano na? Pwede. Ako dali lang. Batyagan nyo na? Uyog? Batyagan nyo? Go-uyog? Or lipong na ta? Oo, go-uyog, go-uyog, oh, no. Tsura yung hindi. Pero tuod. Loy, wala. Ha? Oo, na. Kabaltsag ka raw? Kabaltsag ka? Hindi ka dyan eh. Kabaltsagan mo?
Hindi na pagka-dili-dili wala.
Hindi ka pala mga bag Oy, abi mga sapatos ay butang sa lain nga lugar, pe. Mas diin man lang mga diba? Gagyan mo lang tuhod.
Happy family! Hi. Tayo mag-pickleball na sa likod.
Kung hindi kaya mag-perform, performs.
Hey. Bakit ad ka Adidas ba?
Hoy, nakabutan.
Adibas. Adibas. Alright. Last words.
Gago.
Before you run.
Ay.
JM na lang. Kawak.
Hindi sila kalaggas sa akin.
Let's go.
Bahala lang yun si Batman.
I will cheat!
Good night.
I don't really need a reason to star you. That's all you. Don't pretend I got a reason to call you. It's not true.
Yo, dito na tayo sa Tops. Basta ang first experience sa first time sa
Si Ios is on club winning. So
First experience nakin dito sa Cebu, marunong na ako magbinisaya.
ikaw po ma'am, kamusta yung experience?
So far, so good.
Round the city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody eat. Although you got buku family, you don't even got nobody being honest with you.
Puta. So nag-iisip kami kung saan kami lalabas mamaya. It's either Airview or Icon. Hindi ko feel yung hindi ko lang alam kasi yung puntahan pa lang namin dito is yung Icon pa lang sa Cebu. So let's see lang kung nangyari mamaya.
Bajo el sol, donde todos brillan, la vida es una fiesta, bailando hasta la
shit. Hindi man gali. Puta ya. Sabi ko kung weak shit. Hindi ba, may duwag na suka. Sabi pakuno-kuno pala hubog. Puta, hindi ka lang weak shit.